Fleabane may look similar to daisies, but this summer annual weed easily grows in poorly maintained properties in the western and northern United States. This weed outcompetes more desirable plants, ruining lawns, gardens, and landscaping. In this video, we'll go over how to identify fleabane, how to eliminate it from your property, and how to prevent its growth in the upcoming seasons. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Fleabane resembles daisies with its composite flower head, flat disc, and typically white coloration of its petals. The petals start white but may turn pink or lavender over time. Some species of fleabane have yellow or orange petals instead. Young fleabane plants grow as rosettes with their leaves forming a circular shape. As the plant matures, the stems can reach up to 3 feet long and are covered with coarse, stiff hairs. The leaves are also covered with hairs and are lance-shaped with pointed tips and toothed edges. They can grow up to 5 inches in length, with newer, younger leaves growing shorter and more narrow. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Fleabane usually emerges in turf from late spring to summer, and they usually bloom in May. This weed thrives in soils with consistent moisture levels or nutrient levels. Common sites include, but are not limited to, lawns, ditches, driveways, sidewalks, near fences, and other locations with full exposure to sunlight and moderately wet soil. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. The best way to control a weed infestation that's already established on your property is to apply a post-emergent herbicide. Look for a product that includes fleabane on its label. In cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-diamine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of product mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 1/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. In warm season grasses, we recommend Fahrenheit Herbicide. For spot applications, mix 0.2 ounces of the product per 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Keep in mind that when making applications over St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, or zoysia grass, temporary stunting or chlorosis may occur. For either of these products, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld pump sprayer and use a surfactant like Nanotek to enhance the effectiveness of your treatment. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. When using Nanotek, just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. Spot treat any fleabane you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-diamine range from 21 to 30 days. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent fleabane and other weeds from growing in your lawn, promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-510 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product is a slow-release fertilizer that will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. It even includes some species of fleabane in its list of controlled weeds. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will kill established weeds. In addition to fertilizing, mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density, reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop weeds like Fleabane from taking over your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.